Hey guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today we're going to talk about the new cool LinkedIn feature, LinkedIn cover stories. What is it? How can you use it? And how can you use it to attract new customers and clients for your business? Now, this is a really cool feature that LinkedIn recently released, and it allows you to record a 30-second video clip of yourself and then pin this to your profile. So whenever someone is visiting your profile, they can just click on your cover story and then play the short video clip. And it's an incredible cool way to make a great first impression, to tell people who you are, what you do, who you're helping, and what they should do. Have a strong call to action at the end. So the way this works is once you have recorded one, it will create like a colorful ring around your profile picture. If someone is hovering their mouse over your profile picture, they will see like a muted version, just like playing a few seconds of your cover story, so people know that this is a video they can click. If they click on it, they will see the video. And yeah, let me tell you how you can set this up. So what you need is you need the LinkedIn mobile app. It's currently not possible to create one on the desktop computer, so you have to use the LinkedIn mobile app. Now, when you have this, you have to navigate to your LinkedIn profile, and you will see there is a small plus icon on the bottom right side of your profile picture. If you press this, it will open up a menu that allows you to create a LinkedIn cover story. Now you have two options. You can either record one on the spot, or you can upload one that you have already created in another app or on your desktop computer. I really recommend that you don't record it on the spot. Really take your time to get this right. Use an external app to record yourself. And once you have this done, you can upload it here, and then basically that's it. Your LinkedIn cover story is active. Everyone can see it. It's a really cool feature. Now, what can you say in your LinkedIn cover story? This is really something really important that you should think very carefully about, because you want to use that as a LinkedIn lead generation tool. So it's really important to convey a lot of information, or very important information, in a really quick time, because you don't have any control how long someone is going to watch this. They might just listen to the first 10 seconds and then just click the back button and continue doing something else. So it's very important that you state your name so people know your name. They also know how to pronounce it. This is like another great way to teach people, especially if you have a foreign name, how to pronounce your name. And then you can tell them who you are, what you do, and who are you helping with. This is your value proposition. You really want to tell people like, what is it that you do, and what kind of problem or challenges that you're solving, and who are your ideal customers. So if you are specializing on a particular niche, this would be a great way to tell people watching this, hey, this is for me. And then you can transition to your call to action. This should be something valuable, because you want to take advantage of someone spending time watching a video. So you don't want them to just to disappear and hit the back button. You want them to take some form of action. This could be to connect with you, to send you a message, send you an email, send you an email, pick up the phone. You can explain where they find your contact information. For example, you can put your phone number or your email address in your about section. You can also tell them to sign up for your newsletter. In my case, I ask people to download one of my lead magnets, my LinkedIn hashtag guide, which you can download for free, by the way, if you check out the description below. And then you want to tell people how to get this. Now, in my case, I would say if you want to get my free LinkedIn hashtag guide, you can find the download link in the description down below. It shows you exactly how to find the right hashtags for your LinkedIn content strategy to get organic traffic to your LinkedIn profile. So as an example, you really want to tell people like where to find the information, because you can't just like share links. Some ways where you can put your information is the about section. You can also use the highlight section of your LinkedIn profile. Really great feature. You can combine this maybe with a secondary call to action. Now, in my case, I would share my secondary call to action, which would be, if you want to get more content about LinkedIn marketing, also make sure that you hit the follow button, and I see you soon. And that's basically it. You have your introduction, state your name, tell them who you are, what you do, what is your value proposition, and then have your primary call to action. Tell people where they can find the information. If you want them to send you an email, put your email in the about section of your LinkedIn profile and tell them that they can find your email address there. Same for your phone number. Or if you have a clickable link, you can tell them either find it in the about section or in the featured section where you have pinned this important document or website right at the top. Now, if you want to learn more about how to drive traffic to your LinkedIn profile so you can take the most advantage of this, making this great first impression, I highly recommend that you check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I'm going to put the link down in the description and in the pinned comment below. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe and smash the like button so YouTube knows that you want to see more content like this in your newsfeed. And I see you soon. Bye.